अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपनी इस वीडियो में आप सब के लिए 9th क्लास के इंग्लिश के चैप्टर नंबर 2 पैट्रियटिज़म के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेके आई हूँ। मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियो में भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की वीडियो बनाई थी इस चैप्टर की, लेकिन वो मैंने यूनिक नोट से बनाई थी। आज मैं पायलट कंपोजिशन से लेके आई हूँ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तो जिन बच्चों को वो वाले क्वेश्चन के आंसर आसान लगे तो वो वहाँ से कर ले, और जिनको ये आसान लगे वो यहाँ से कर ले। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डू यू पर्सनली डिफाइन पैट्रियटिज़म? कैन यू प्रोवाइड एन एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम योर ओन लाइफ और कम्युनिटी दैट इलस्ट्रेट्स योर डेफिनेशन? आंसर: Patriotism is the love and loyalty towards one's country shown through actions that contribute to its welfare. For example, participating in community cleanup drives reflects patriotism as it helps maintain the country's beauty and environment. Question number 2. Why do you think Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah's efforts were crucial in securing a separate homeland for the Muslims? Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah's efforts were crucial because he fought for the protection of Muslim values, cultures, and identity, ensuring a separate homeland where they could live according to their beliefs. Question number 3. Why do you think the soldiers mentioned in the text are considered heroes? What qualities did they show? The soldiers mentioned in the text are considered heroes because they sacrificed their lives to protect the nation. They showed bravery, patriotism, and unwavering dedication to sovereignty and honor of their country. Question number 4. How can the spirit of patriotism be maintained and fostered in today's society, where many people are more connected globally than locally? Provide examples of modern acts of patriotism. Answer: The spirit of patriotism can be maintained by promoting national pride, respect for cultural heritage, and community involvement. Modern acts of patriotism include volunteering for national causes, supporting local businesses, and protecting the environment. Question number 5. The text includes a quote from H.W. Scott about patriotic spirit. What do you think H.W. Scott means by a man devoid of patriotic spirit? Do you agree or disagree with this perspective? Why? Answer: H.W. Scott means that a person without patriotism lacks a deep connection or love for their country. I agree with this perspective because patriotism creates a sense of belonging and responsibility towards the nation. Question number 6. How can schools teach students about patriotism? Why is it important for students to learn about it? Answer: Schools can teach students about patriotism by including lessons on national history, the sacrifices of patriots, and the importance of unity and national pride. It's important for students to learn about patriotism as it helps foster a sense of responsibility, unity, and respect for their country. Question number 7. Can you think of a small act of patriotism that someone could do every day? How does this help the country? Answer: A small act of patriotism could be recycling or keeping the environment clean. This helps the country by preserving its natural resources and maintaining a healthy, sustainable environment for future generations. Question number 8. What did you learn about patriotism from this text? I learned that patriotism is the love and loyalty towards one's country, demonstrated through actions that protect and preserve the country's values, culture, and well-being. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरी नए आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। मेरी अगली वीडियो आने तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।